Welcome to All4's e-learning classes. Now we will discuss about remaining properties of phenols in session 32. In session 31 we have discussed about Reimer-Tiemann reaction and acylation reaction, benzylation reactions, ether formation reactions. Now we will discuss about remaining electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, next name reaction is Kolbe reaction. Kolbe reaction. Kolbe reaction means phenol compound reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of basic medium. Temperature is above 400 degrees centigrade temperature. Less pressure form the phenoxide anion. So that phenoxide anion reacts with carbon dioxide, finally form the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. If we attack that CO2 at para position, form the para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Wherever a Reimer-Tiemann reaction is given, the electrophile is dichlorocarbene system. But here electrophile is CO2 here. CO2. So phenol compound react with CO2 carbon dioxide, NaOH, above 400 degrees centigrade, above 400 Kelvin temperature, acid hydrolysis. So it produce salicylic acid, para-hydroxybenzoic acid, salicylic acid, para-hydroxybenzoic acid. When compared to para-hydroxybenzoic acid, the salicylic acid amount is more in Kolbe reaction. Here. So wherever phenol is given, here NaOH is given. Acid-base reactions takes place, form the sodium phenoxide anion compound, or sodium phenoxide compound is formed here. The sodium phenoxide compound undergoes electrophilic substitution with given carbon dioxide. We will see how to form the product right now here. So here phenol compound is given. That compound reacts with sodium hydroxide, form the sodium phenoxide anion. So compound reacts with carbon dioxide. Given system is conjugated system. Whenever the lone pair migrate towards single bond, the single bond becomes to double bond here. Nothing but double bond is formed in between carbon and oxygen. Here. So now after formation of double bond, the pi bond electron migrate towards ortho position, means the pi bond electron attack that carbon. New bond is formed in between the two carbons. After formation of bond, the pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen. On oxygen, electron density increases. So now here compound is formed like this, which is having double bond here, New bond is formed in between the two carbons. Here double bond, O minus here, O minus. So whenever the hydrogen electron migrates towards single bond, the single bond becomes to double bond. Again pi bond electron migrate towards oxygen here. then form the compound like this. So here C double bond O minus, again OH here. Final step is acid hydrolysis step. Acid hydrolysis step here. Acid hydrolysis step, the nucleophile attack that H plus. O minus, the nucleophile attack that H plus, it convert into C double bond OH. Salicylic acid is formed here. If attacking position is para means, then form the para hydroxybenzoic acid. Why? Because according to IUPAC nomenclature rules, the first priority is given to carboxylic group. That's why para hydroxybenzoic acid is called generally. So this is the way to form the product in Kolbe reactions. In Kolbe reaction here. Kolbe reaction. Now next one is nitration reaction. Nitration reaction here. Nitration reaction. Already you know, this is one of the best example for electrophilic substitution reactions. Nitration, sulfonation, chlorination, Friedel-Crafts alkylations and acylation reactions. These are very familiar for electrophilic substitution reactions. Nitration is given means the mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4 is generally called nitration mixture. Wherever nitration mixture is given, in that nitration mixture it produces NO2 electrophile. Which is electrophile here? NO2, nitronium ion is electrophile here. So in a given substrate, the H plus is substituted by NO2 plus. That's why it is generally called electrophilic substitution reactions. So incoming electrophile is NO2 group here, NO2 group. So here given compound, phenol compound, given compound phenol here, given compound phenol, the compound reacts with concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 mixture. H2SO4 mixture. In this case, we have to take concentration, highly concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Why? Because OH group is protecting group here, oxidizing group here. That's why in this case, less amount of yield is formed here. Less amount of yield is formed here. HNO3 plus H2SO4 is given. HNO3 plus H2SO4. Here OH, because OH means ortho para directing group, which is replaced by NO2 group. That ortho position H plus is substituted by NO2 group here. Again, para-nitrophenol, ortho-nitrophenol and para-nitrophenol is formed here. Para-nitrophenol. Remember, amount of compounds very less in this reaction due to protecting of OH group. Due to the presence of OH group, some amount is less in this reaction. So next, again phenol compound is given. Phenol compound. That phenol compound reacts with concentrated nitric acid. HNO3. You remember, highly concentrated HNO3 is given, trinitrophenol is formed here. Trinitrophenol is formed here. Here NO2 group, again NO2 group, again NO2 group here. Trinitrophenol is generally called picric acid. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol is formed here. trinitrophenol. According to SD Carter, when compared to ortho and para compound, 2,4,6-trinitrophenol SDT is more due to the presence of 3 electron withdrawing groups. How many number of NO2 groups are there? 3 groups. So due to that withdrawing power groups, the compound SDT is more here. Compound SDT is more here. So here nitroso reaction is given. Nitroso reaction is given. Nitration or nitrogen. Nitroso reaction is given. Nitroso reaction means the phenol compound reaction with nitrous acid. This one is nitric acid. This one is nitric acid. Wherever HNO2 is given is generally called nitroso reaction, nitration reaction here. Here phenol compound, the given compound phenol reacts with HNO2, or NaNO2 plus HCl in the presence of temperature form the compounds, ortho and para compounds. Here OH group, again ortho nitrosophenol, para nitrosophenol is formed here. Para nitrosophenol is formed here. Para nitrosophenol. Again, the mixture reacted with diluted HNO3. Continuation reaction is given. Diluted HNO3 is given. Diluted HNO3 is given. So diluted HNO3 is given means further oxidation is given. Form the orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol. The NO group convert into NO2. Here. Orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol mixture is formed here. Then how can you separate that one? Means by using the steam distillation method. Why we can say that one? Reason, due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding nature, the volatile nature is more for ortho compound. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding compound, volatile nature is less. We have discussed that concept in previous sessions. Wherever compounds form that intramolecular hydrogen bonding means melting points, boiling points less, then volatile nature is more. Wherever compounds forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding, solubility, melting points, boiling points more, volatile nature is less. So according to that concept, if you apply this steam distillation, we can separate this one. Ortho compound volatile nature is more. Reason, chelation or hydrogen bonding in between OH group and NO2 groups. NO2 group here. Here HNO2 is given only if you take para compound here, OH group. Para nitroso derivative is formed here. Very simple reaction is given. We have to write the like this. Based on the options, we have to choose answer in this reaction. Again, the compound tautomerism is possible here. Hydroxyquinone is formed here. NOH. This is the way to write that product wherever HNO2 is given. HNO2 is given here. HNO2 is given. Now sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation. Here the compound undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction with sulfuric acid, form the sulfuric acid substituted product here. which is electrophile in sulfonation reaction means always you remember SO3 is electrophile but not SO3H. Why? Because the sulfonation reaction is a reversible reaction. Removal of H plus is possible. Again, addition of H plus is possible in this reaction here. In this reaction. So here phenol compound reacts with H2SO4 sulfuric acid compound. Sulfuric acid compound in the presence of temperature, here OH is given, H plus is substituted by SO3 but addition of H plus is formed. Again OH, the parahydrogen is replaced by incoming electrophile. Orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, parahydroxybenzene sulfonic acid is formed in this reaction. But which is major, wherever temperature condition is given, low temperature 298 Kelvin temperature is given, that ortho percentage is more, ortho is major compound. Above temperature 300 above temperature is given, para isomer is major. Based on the given temperature we can write that major compounds. So nothing but 298 less temperature is given means that ortho isomer or ortho compound percentage is more here. Wherever SO3H group is there, nothing but SO3H group. Orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, parahydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid SO3H. Further nitration is given. Nothing but in the presence of concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3 is given. So concentrated HNO3 is given. Form the picric acid. Here a NO2 group, again NO2 group, again NO2 group. Picric acid is formed here. So based on the reaction we can write that product. This is the way to write that products wherever sulfonation is given. Sulfonation reaction is given. Next one is halogenation reaction. Now next one is halogenation reaction. So if we take halogenation reaction means in these reactions halogens are electrophiles. Supposed to be chlorine Cl2 molecule is given, chlorine is electrophile, Br2 molecule is given, bromine is electrophile here. But based on the medium we can write that product here. Here two types of products are possible, mono substituted products and tri substituted products. Then how can you identify for a given reaction mono substituted product is possible or tri substituted product is possible means based on the reagent we can identify, we can choose that given answer. So here phenol compound is given, phenol compound here OH. The compound reacts with bromine in the presence of carbon disulfide temperature. Carbon disulfide medium here or chloroform medium is given, doesn't matter. Form the mono substituted product. The H plus is substituted by incoming Br plus. Orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is formed here. So here orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is formed here. Parabromophenol is formed. Wherever phenol compound, nothing but here phenol is given again. Phenol compound reacts with bromine water. Excess of bromine in this reaction. Excess of bromine. Phenols form the white precipitate with excess of bromine water. Tri-substituted phenol form is formed, which is in white precipitation state. So, tribromophenol 2,4,6-tribromophenol is formed. Here bromine, again bromine, again bromine. 2,4,6-tribromophenol. What type of precipitate is formed here? White precipitate. Tribromophenol is formed. It is in white precipitation state. This is the way to write that products wherever halogenation is given. Halogenation is given. Halogenation is given. So here supposed to be esterification reaction is given. Fries rearrangement. Fries rearrangement. How to identify the Fries rearrangement means? Based on the product we can explain. I think already we have completed in previous session ester formation reactions, acylation reaction. If you take here, phenol compound react with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine medium. In the presence of pyridine or sulfuric acid form the phenyl acetate. Phenyl acetate. So first we will write that product right now here. Here OH group, the compound reacts with acetic anhydride, CH3CO, acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine medium or sulfuric acid medium, H plus medium. So what type of reaction is possible? The H is replaced by incoming C double bond O CH3 acyl group. That's why the reaction is called acylation reaction. Acylation reaction. First step is acylation product is formed here. Acylated product. So what type of cleavage is possible here? OH cleavage. O C double bond O CH3. We have discussed this concept in previous session. So by using the salicylic acid, we have prepared that aspirin drug acylation reaction, that one. Form the compound, this one. Up to here what? Acylation. Up to here acylation. Up to here generally called acylation reaction. Now, the compound undergoes rearrangement in the presence of AlCl3 140 degrees centigrade temperature, or if you apply the carbon disulfide medium also doesn't matter. So AlCl3 140 degrees centigrade temperature is given, means rearrangement is possible here. Rearrangement is possible. So what type of product is possible here? So ortho and para iodines are replaced in this reaction. So supposed to be orthoiodine is replaced in this one, then form the orthohydroxy acetophenone is formed. Supposed to be, if you take para-hydroxy acetophenone is formed here. Orthohydroxy acetophenone, H is replaced in this reaction. The rearrangement is generally called Fries rearrangement. Fries rearrangement here. This is the way to write that Fries rearrangement product. So ortho and para-hydroxy ketones are formed in this reaction. Ortho and para-hydroxy ketones are formed in Fries rearrangement reaction. Now, preparation of picric acids. Picric acid. How to prepare the picric acid means very simple reactions. Already you have given that one. Here chlorobenzene is given, supposed to be. The chlorobenzene compound reacts with HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 plus H2SO4 is given. Ortho and para substituted product is formed here. What type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. So, ortho and para dinitrophenol. If you take mixture or single compound, doesn't matter here. NO2 group and NO2 group. Again, chlorobenzene. So, how to remove the chlorine in this reaction? What type of reaction is required here? Nucleophilic substitution reactions. We have discussed that concept because single aryl chloride is given or aryl bromide is given, aryl iodide is given, somewhat reactivity is less towards nucleophilic substitution reactions due to formation of conjugation in between the carbon and given halogen. So, already the given compound is carrying how many electron withdrawing groups? 2. Number of withdrawing groups increases on aromatic ring, the compound reactivity increases. Due to the presence of 2 withdrawing groups, the given compound reactivity somewhat increases when compared to without substituent, only chlorobenzene. Now, if you apply the Na2CO3, 130 degrees centigrade temperature is given. 130 degrees centigrade temperature is given. Then form the nucleophilic substituted product. The Cl is replaced by OH. The Cl is replaced by OH here. The Cl is replaced by OH. Further nitration is given. What will happen? Nitration is given means ortho para directing group. Ortho para directing product is important. So again, HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 plus H2SO4 is given. What will happen? Only one vacant position is there. That ortho position H plus is substituted by NO2 group. H plus is substituted by NO2 group. Then form the picric acid. This is the way to write that picric acid here. So other method, already we have discussed that concept in this reaction. Phenol compound reacts with H2SO4. H2SO4 is given. H2SO4 means what type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Mixture of the compounds or single compound doesn't matter. Disubstituted sulfuric acid is formed here. SO3H, again SO3H. Disubstituted sulfuric acid formed. Further reaction is already we have discussed it right now only. What type of reaction is possible here? If you take HNO3 here. So here HNO3 is given, then form the trinitro compound. Here NO2 group, here NO2 group, here NO2 group, NO2 group, 2, 4, 6, trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol is generally called what? Picric acid. This is a way to prepare the picric acid from a given organic compound. If we take oxidation, also we can prepare that compound. Wherever trinitro compound is given, trinitro compound. Trinitrobenzene compound undergoes oxidation in the presence of potassium ferricyanide K3FeCN6. Potassium ferricyanide. then from the molecule undergoes oxidation, it produces trinitro compound, which is generally called picric acid. Again, picric acid is formed here. This is the way to prepare the picric acid from a given different type of compounds. Okay, we will stop here. In next session, we will discuss remaining miscellaneous reactions. Thank you.